morning, student. Today, in the sixth lecture, sixth video of chapter 6, standard 8 SS, I am going to deal with the objective types of question answer. Standard 8 SS, chapter number 6, lecture number, video number 6. The name of the chapter is Human Resources. In this chapter, we have learned about census, population density, birth rate, death rate, migration, sex ratio, literacy, everything we have learned. Now, these are the multiple choice questions belong to this chapter. Number 1. After how many years? After how many years is the census done in India? After how many years is the census done in India? After 12 years or 5 years, 4 years or 10 years? So my dear student, the correct answer is 10 years. After 10 years, after every 10 years, we have census in India. Census is done in India after 10 years. So correct answer is 10. Okay. And last census was done in the year 2011. Last time. Okay. Next one. Which state of India? Which state of India has the highest sex ratio? Which state of India has the highest sex ratio? Sex ratio means compared to man, the number of female, okay, per thousand, And my dear student, Kerala has the highest sex ratio, okay. So which state of India has the highest sex ratio? So that is Kerala, okay. Kerala has the highest sex ratio. Okay. Uttar Pradesh is highest population. In Uttar Pradesh it is highest population. Okay. Next one. At which position? At which position is India with respect to land area? When we consider about the land area, India ranks which number? India ranks which number when we consider about, when we think about the land area, okay, area, first, second, third, yeah, 7. The correct answer is 7. My dear student, we are second in term of population. In term of population, we are second, okay. But when we consider about land area, India ranks 7th, okay. What percentage of population resides? What percentage of population resides in rural areas in Gujarat? In Gujarat, when we consider about our state Gujarat, so how much percentage? What percentage? Okay, what percentage of people they reside in village, rural area? Rural means village area. Options are given: 72, 28, 38, and 62. And the correct answer is 62. 62% people still they are staying in villages, rural areas. Okay. In India, on what basis have states been formed? In India, all the states are, for most of the states are formed on the basis of what? Okay, on the basis of caste, then wrong. Okay, on the basis of religion, no. Do we have mutual boundary? No. Most of the states are formed on the basis of language. Okay, and we know when I discussed the chapter number 13, that time I said, na? Okay, which district of Gujarat? Which district of Gujarat has the highest population? Highest population, that is Ahmedabad, and if density comes, highest density, that is Surat. Got it? So here, which district of Gujarat has the highest population? When we consider about the population, Ahmedabad ranks first. Okay, Ahmedabad ranks first. But when we consider about the population density, Surat comes first. Okay, which state of India has the highest population? Okay, in which state we have more population? Okay, yeah, correct. Good. Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh has the highest population. Options are given: Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, but highest population is in Uttar Pradesh. Got it? Next, how many languages have been? How many languages have been mentioned in our constitution? How many languages are mentioned? 24 to 20 या 22. The correct answer is 22. Okay. What is the literacy ratio in India? Okay. What is the literacy ratio of India? Options are given: 69.9, 64.83, 79.31, 74.04, and the correct answer is 74.04. Dear students, my next exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. My dear student, fill in the blanks with appropriate word or number. Okay, here number 1. India stands at the blank position. India stands at the blank position in the world in terms of population. When we consider about population, India ranks which number? In terms of land area, it is 7th. But here it is asked in terms of population. In terms of population, India ranks second. India ranks second position. India stands at the second position in the world in terms of population. Second, approximately blank percent of the total world's population resides in India. Approximately blank percent of the total world's population resides in India. Okay, my dear student, here 16%. Okay, 16% of the total world's population resides in India. Okay, next one, the density of population. The density of population during the 2011 census was, okay, my dear student, the density of population during the 2011 census was 382. 382. Okay, the sex ratio in Gujarat. The sex ratio in Gujarat as per the 2011 census. The sex ratio in Gujarat as per the 2011 census was 918. Okay, 918. Next, the people following black religion. The people following black religion are maximum in number of India. Okay, which religion? Maximum Hindu people. The people following Hindu religion are maximum in number in India. In 2011, the literacy rate of Gujarat was. In 2011, the literacy rate of Gujarat was 79.31. 79.31 percentage. Okay. Next exercise is write true or false. Write true or false. My dear student, the population of India was 31.8 crore. Okay, 31.80 crore in 1901. It is true or false? My dear student, it is false. It is not true. Okay, in 1901 we did not have this much population. Okay, next, China will still be the highest populated country. China will still be the highest populated country in 2050 AD. False. Okay, that time who was there? Who? Maybe India. Okay, highest populated at that time in 2050. Okay, our sex ratio has been increasing. Our sex ratio has been increasing year by year since 1951. True or false? False. Okay, our sex ratio has been increasing year by year since 1951. That is false. Got it? Next, death rate can be brought to zero. Death rate can be brought to zero through medical advancement. False, my dear student. It cannot be. Okay, got it? Next one. Sikkim is one of the most highly populated countries of India. Sikkim is one of the most highly populated countries of India. That is also false. Okay, it has least population. It comes under least population category. Okay, the literacy ratio of Gujarat. The literacy rate of Gujarat is 79.31%. True. That is true. Now next exercise is match the pairs correctly. My dear student, when you write in the examination, you have to write down the correct answer. Okay. So the highest population. Which state has the highest population? Uttar Pradesh. The lowest population. Which state has? Sikkim has the lowest. Lowest population. Okay. The highest literacy rate. Which state has the highest literacy rate? Kerala. Even it is asked about the sex ratio, highest sex ratio, then also no problem. The highest population density, in which state it is? The highest population density is in Bihar. My dear student, if you want to add two more, you can add the most populated city of Gujarat. The most populated city of Gujarat, then Ahmedabad. If you want, you can write down one more. The highest population density. The highest population density of Gujarat, then it comes Surat. My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.